Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to repair error Valorant Graphics Driver Crashed Valorant Crashing Issue Riot Vanguard Crash Report. Chapter 1. How to fix error Valorant Graphics Driver Crashed Valorant Crashing Issue Riot Vanguard Crash Report by updating graphics driver. To start, right-click on the Start menu and select Device Manager. Here, under Display Adapters, right-click on the driver and select Update Driver. Then click on Search automatically for drivers. Wait for the search to complete. After that, click Back. Now select Search my computer for drivers. After this, click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. You are going to select the controller. Click Next and wait for this driver to be installed. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Finally, from the Action menu, click on Scan for hardware changes. Wait for this step to complete. Chapter 2. How to fix error Valorant Graphics Driver Crashed Valorant Crashing Issue Riot Vanguard Crash Report Downloading Driver. To get started, enter MS-Info32 in the search box. Click on System Information. Here you will find the model of the motherboard you are currently using. Once you know, you are going to go to the manufacturer's website to download the most current version of the driver and proceed to install it. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.